Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's Learn English. In the last video, if you remember, we discussed how we can learn a language naturally, easily and comfortably. In this video, we shall discuss how we can learn a language from our people, from our own environment. We all know that the best way to learn a language is to speak it, use it in everyday situations. People may comment on us, people may laugh at us, people may find fault with us, but we should not worry at all. Okay? We should remember how we learned our mother tongue. Let's go back to our childhood days. When we learned our mother tongue, first of all, we used small words. Okay? Then we went to bigger words. Sometimes we used wrong words. Used one word in place of another word. We mispronounced the words. Then we shifted to small sentences. Sentences with 4, 5, 6 words. Sometimes we used wrong sentences also. We used wrong rules of grammar. But we didn't worry about them. We went on using the language. We went on making mistakes. Nobody found fault with us. We didn't know initially, at first, we didn't know how to express our thoughts, our feelings, our ideas in our mother tongue. But in course of time, we watched people using the language very carefully. We watched the words they used. We watched the sentences they used. We watched the way they pronounced the words and sentences, and gradually we started learning all the rules of grammar or all the rules of language. Now we have become perfect. We have become masters of our own language. We can use language for meeting all the day-to-day needs. We cannot tell the rules of grammar to people if somebody asks for that. But we can easily communicate our feelings, our thoughts, our ideas to people. We can thank people, we can convey gratitude to people, we can congratulate people, we can invite people, we can do many more things that we do in our everyday life with the language we have learned. If this can happen with our mother tongue, our own language that we learned since our childhood, why can't we do the same with English? We can also do the same with English. Let me tell you the example of people who are in the tourist places or places of pilgrimage. What happens? There we find the hawkers, the booksellers, the boys who sell small items using English. How do they learn the language? They didn't go to any coaching center, they didn't go to any school, they didn't go to any teacher to learn the language. They just learned the language by imitating the people who visit their shops, who visit them to purchase things, to buy things from them. So we can also do it in the similar manner. We don't have to worry about the rules of grammar when we speak the language. If we worry about the rules of grammar when we speak the language, it will pull us back. When we speak the next time, we will think 10 times before we start speaking the language. So let us not worry about the rules of grammar. Let us make use of the language wherever possible. Gradually, we will be able to learn the rules of using the language in our everyday life. We may think that we have become old, we have grown old, and we may not be able to learn the language. But there is nothing like this. There is no limitation, there is no boundary for learning anything. So it is never too late to learn anything. So let's learn English whenever we want it. If you have a strong desire, if you have a strong intention to do something, learn something, you can do it. Thank you. Happy learning.